We divide 479 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times it is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 479 divided by 5 is 95.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.